Purple shamrock, also known as false shamrock or Oxalis Triangularis, is a perennial plant. It has very deep purple color and the leaves are triangular and typically grow in groups of 3. At night, they fold up like an umbrella, but they open again with the morning light. Purple shamrock plants actively grow and flower during the fall to spring and go dormant in the summer. When they are dormant, the foliage will degrade, so during this time, reduced watering and no feeding is necessary. Now, this is how to plant corms. Plant the corms in container vertically with a narrow end pointing up. They can also be cut in half if desired. Cover the corms with about 1 to 1.5 inch of soil. Then at the end, just water the plant. In the garden, space corms 3 to 4 inches apart and 1 to 1 inches deep. This plant has a moderate growth rate. To encourage blooming, place the plant in filtered sunlight with sufficient moisture and feeding. I use all-purpose shake and feed monthly during the peak growing season. When maintained indoors, place the pot by the window that gets bright but indirect light on most parts of the day. Rotate plant regularly to allow exposure for every side of the plant, at least 1 to 2 hours of mild sunlight per day. Avoid overwatering as they can lead to root rot.